Hey guys, well, if you know me by now, you know that I make things a day. I'm going to show you something else that I've decided to do because I need it. There may be one like it on the market somewhere, but for me, this is what I did. And this is my Homelite Weed Whacker here. And what I did for it, it's you run it for about 2 hours. Let me tell you, got to hold it exactly 2 inches on the ground and hold it exactly up. It's always pretty hard work, and by the time 2 hours is done, you're pretty sore. So what I did was I put landing gear on this thing. You see? And this is how I did it. I drilled holes. I put zip tie on it. And then I put amazing goop on it. Here, this is stainless steel landing gear, and everything is pretty strong about it. Where I got this was from I Am Landing Gear Company, Tokyo. I bought this actually in Japan when I was there. I went to the hobby store. They have quite amazing hobby stores. This is hardwood mounts that you would use that landing gear on, and the screws, and then there's plenty of washers. Let me tell you, this is pretty cool product, and it suits me very well on my weed whacker, and I'm going to show you how it works now. Let's go try it. Okay, folks, I want to show you what I've done to the my weed whacker. I put a landing gear on it. Okay. And the reason is, after 2 hours of doing the yard, my arm gets pretty sore. So by using this is stainless steel, I can get up close, yet can still use it as a weed whacker side to side and pick it up, but I'm not going to get too close. So I'm going to show you how that works over here. Let's go ahead and start up.